Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, October the 11th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. It's brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see where we left off the market here today. So SPX, guys, interesting move, right? So we got ended up down 30 points on the day today. Still green here on the monthly chart. Weekly chart going into an inside week with an upper shadow off of last week's upper shadow. Daily chart, guys, we went from inside to outside day and filled the gap and closed below the 80 MA right here. So that is a little bit bearish, right? So, but the volume wasn't there, right? Because it was Columbus Day. So the Fed wasn't here trying to buy the dip. So we'll see if they step in tomorrow and try to do it. In the meantime, we were basically kind of hanging out around this channel for the majority of the day today. But an interesting drop there into the close. And really quite a bearish afternoon, right? We pointed out several short opportunities here today, guys, especially after you get, this is a harmonic, this is a bearish harmonic wing right here, right? Because you got to move lower high, right? And it'll give us a nice move down. And then we actually had another mini harmonic right in here too to get us to the downside, right? So the big thing that we talked about in the bubble report today was getting under the overnight low, and we closed below it right here at the end of the day. And there's a lot of clear air down there to the 10.6 VPOC. So we'll see if what they have in store for these levels here tonight. But pretty wild stuff. Let's take a look again at the MES and see if we can find a geometric line here going into the evening session. Obviously, very, very steep drop right there. And again, like I said, like bull's just not there to defend today, right? So the bank's closed and all that stuff. So again, I was waiting for those bears to step up today because we did have a strong move at the open, but then the bears came out at the end of the day. Unfortunately, they didn't do it at the very beginning, but it kind of is what it is. If we go back to the SPX here, guys, I know everybody likes to see the wave count, so let's go back and see those. So hourly chart here on the SPX, I mean, we could still be a wave 4. It still could be an ABC down, right? Because we definitely haven't taken out wave 2, right? So we've got that going on, and I'm sorry, we didn't take out wave 1. So it could be an ABC right here, again, by the guideline of alternation, right? Small wave 2, big wave 4, very possible. We filled the gap, and we could bounce off of that, right? So if we want to stay bullish, or, right, we've got my big bearish move here that could be starting. This could be a 1, 2, and we could be in wave 3 of 3 of 3, or just wave 3 of 3 at this point. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that's that. Let's see the Qs. Qs again, nice down move here at the end of the day today. Again, they tried to do the nice move up at the open, tried to hold there today. There's nobody there to support it. Once we lost gamma, we went to negative gamma. It was down from there. IWM big drop here today too. Again, channel top to channel bottom today. Again, those provided in the bubble report this morning. XLF again, guys, earnings this week, and looks like this morning they were going to try to do a bull flag and do an earnings run, and they just got crushed here. So maybe they're going to sell off, and then they'll try to buy it for earnings. We'll see how that goes. VIX got really closed right at 20. Wow, or is right at 20 right now, which is pretty amazing. So VIX not out of the woods yet, right? So it came back to life here at the end of the day for sure. Apple with a nice drop here today. Tesla again looking like a bearish harmonic or a bearish harmonic wing going into tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. So look at Bitcoin. We're at 2,000, but also down here today in the afternoon. But getting pretty close to our $60,000 target, so we'll see how that goes there. A couple other names that are on the radar going in tomorrow. Facebook, again, everybody's favorite name to keep on the bearish radar right here. And it looks like today, I wish I would have seen a little bit more volume on this. But again, looks like today, again, our bearish swing idea is still kind of playing out nicely right here. Bear flag broke down today. Increased volume would have been great, but not quite there. Again, but a nice drop there at the lows. BABA with an engulfing candle over the 50-day moving average. So a little bit of caution right there. Any, a lot of folks like this one today. So double inside day up. We pointed this one out on the lunchtime video. So a nice one there. And Sophie, of course, from the bubble report this morning. Nice move there. Nvidia actually looking pretty bearish here too. Again, upper shadow off the 80 MA. And Starbucks with a bearish engulfing candle under the 280 moving average, under the 80 MA, and then right off of prior support, which became resistance, and increased volume. So, and again, there's some issues with the coffee trade too. So something to keep an eye on as well going into tomorrow. Anyway, guys, good stuff. Of course, there's plenty of other stuff there. Airlines, we'll see how that mystery unfolds and where we go from there. And of course, we got Fed minutes on Wednesday, so a fun week ahead. I hope everybody has a great rest of your evening. We'll see you guys in the live stream tonight. Till then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.